Hello everyone! Welcome back to channel. Today, we have an exciting topics to discuss 10 heart health foods that can make a real difference in your cardiovascular health. Number 1. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, trout, and sardines are incredible sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, and promote heart health. So, try to include fish in your meals a couple of times a week. Number 2, berries. Who doesn't love these colorful and delicious fruits? Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Their anti-inflammatory properties have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. So, stock up on these nutritious gems. Number 3, whole grains. Swap refined grains for whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are a fantastic addition to a heart-healthy diet.